Hey everyone, Arthur here from Kamua with a quick tip on how you can repurpose your video content. Now, making content today is challenging. Coming up with new ideas can just be taxing on the mind, but the chances are you probably have a whole lot of videos in your YouTube library that are just collecting dust. So why not do something new with the old? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna call in the expert, the myth, the legend that is Jim.
Yes, so...
Whoa, what video are you using?
Oh, that's one of your old videos.
Oh, don't use that. Not that video. Oh, come on.
No, it's brilliant. I'm going to use it to make something new. So, repurposing old content to make new content. The best approach is to try and find some shots to make a nice little structure, even though your video might be just 15, 10, 20 seconds long. It's best to have a beginning, middle and end. Something that grabs people at the beginning. For the middle, something that keeps the momentum up a little bit. And then something memorable at the end. You also might want to reformat it, so maybe square or portrait. Or if your video's got dialogue in it, you might want to put some captions in there too. Back over to you, Arthur.
Thanks, Jim. Now, if you enjoyed that, if this was useful, please leave us a comment below. If you want to see more of this kind of content, subscribe. And as always, if you want to repurpose your content, then check out www.kamua.com.
Hey, Arthur, check our Instagram.
Well, you put it up, Jim? No.
Want to lose weight? Just make a movie.
I don't mind running, I run. But I have to warm up first.
I'm just saying, I don't know how I am involved.
Brilliant. Oh, brilliant, mate.